Hello dear YouTubers. I'm cleaning the engine. Get rid of the old paint, the black paint. Clean everything. And when it is ready, the cylinder heads, I will paint them with primer. I've done this with this part of the engine. I heat it up with 2 heaters, and I use the same color set in black on this engine. So let me look. I think I put you there. Let me show if you can see something. Yeah, you see something. I always use Multip paint. So now we're going to start with the engine to paint it. When you use the primer, this paint will stick better on the surface. And it paints smoothly on the surface. This engine is not sandblasted because then I need 40 more hours to clean it, to prepare it. So I cleaned it only with gasoline and a steel brush. Matte black, eh? It's not high glossy, it's black. Oei, the engine is very hot. Okay, that's new. Okay. Shit happens. It's a funny moment on YouTube, huh? Nobody is killed. Later on I will clean the surface with the sandpaper. So then the engine looks nice. So now we're going to let it dry. Look at it. Oh, I'm still filming. Yes. Okay, there's wet, but I see it's clearing up. It's drying already yet. That's not good painted there. So later on I pick up the sand grinding machine, sandpaper machine, to clean the surface. Also remove those center bushes. I take them out. I use always new ones, and then I clean the surface. Don't spray too much in here. You have to clean that. So I have to clean that later. Don't worry about this here. Inside the engine. The later versions, the black engines, 650cc engines from Honda, have always black paint inside the engine, so don't worry about that. But I clean this I clean this with sandpaper. So ich mache das wieder sauber mit einer, wie sagt man das, einer Sandpapier. Wir nennen das in Holland Schuurpapier mit Sand drauf. Und ich mache ein bisschen Funde aus und ein bisschen Witze mit die deutsche Sprache, aber sie begreifen mir. So, when it is dried up, then I will start to fix this engine. I also clean all the other parts, and that's where we started with. So I also paint this. I will take all the valves out of this cylinder head. I will put new, how do we call those things, stem valve rubbers, klephoedjes in Holland, we call them klephoedjes. This keeps the oil out of the engine, of inside the engine, and not in the combustion chamber. And I have to look at the crankshaft. There I have some crankshaft. I hope that one, maybe, or that one. I have to check it. If that is not possible, I will take it out of that engine there in the back of the ground. So I find another one. Now I let it dry, this engine, and I will clean it up, and then I'm going to rebuild this engine to a working one. In the meanwhile, this one is waiting. So that's all I want to say tonight. Have a good night. See you later. Greetings from Holland. Becker, Biddinghausen.